In this video, we will learn how to derive the multiplier for an open economy. Let us suppose for an open economy, we are being given their total income is equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government spending plus exports minus the imports. Okay, and here consumption is a function of disposable income. That is, consumption is equal to C naught plus B times Y subscript D, where C naught is the autonomous consumption. That is, the level of consumption when the level of income is 0, when YD is equal to 0, and B denotes the marginal propensity to consume, and Y subscript D is our disposable income. Okay, and disposable income is simply the total income minus the taxes paid on the income. Investment is being given as investment is equal to I naught. That is, investment is autonomous. It does not depend upon the level of interest rate here. Government expenditure is also autonomous here. So G is equal to G naught. And import is a positive function of income. That is, M is equal to M naught plus My, where M naught is the autonomous importers and it does not depend upon the level of importers. Okay, that very import we are supposed to make whether our income is 0 or actually when it is 0. Okay, so it is the autonomous component of the imports, plus this small m denotes the marginal propensity to import. Then we have Y here, which is income. Also, we are being told that tax is a function of income. In fact, tax is the negative function of income here. That is, T is equal to T naught minus small ty. T naught is the autonomous taxes. We can say it is the lump sum tax. It does not depend upon the level of income. This small t is the marginal propensity to, it is the marginal tax rate here. Okay, and we are supposed to derive the open economy multiplier in this case. Okay, so let us, since we know that at equilibrium our total income is equal to the expenditure. Okay, so let's rewrite it here. So our Y will be equal to C is being given as a C naught plus marginal propensity to consume times Y subscript to D, which is disposable income, plus investment is autonomous, which is I naught, plus government spending is also autonomous, which is G naught, plus exports we have X, minus we have the imports then. So imports is M naught plus M times Y here. Okay, so let us rewrite it. So we have Y will be equal to C naught plus B, and disposable income is Y minus T. So in place of YD we write Y minus T. Then we have I naught plus G naught plus exports minus we have here M naught, because this minus is multiplied to each of these terms, it becomes small negative M Y. Again we can write Y is equal to C naught plus B times Y minus what's T? T is a function, so T is equal to T naught minus small ty. So we write here T naught minus ty plus we have the autonomous investment G naught plus exports minus M naught minus My. Okay, so again rewriting it, so Y will be equal to C naught plus, so here we have by, B times Y minus, here we have B times T naught, so negative times, so we have B times T naught, then minus into minus is plus, then we have B T Y, so we have B T Y plus we have I naught G naught plus exports minus M naught minus My. Okay, so next what will we do? We will transpose the Y terms. So we have Y here, we have this Y, and here we have Y, and we will transpose these to LHS. So we have Y minus B times Y, so then we have again minus B times TY, here we have plus My will be equal to, so here we are left with C naught minus B T naught, then we have I naught plus G naught plus X minus M naught. Okay, now let's take Y common from each of these terms. So we have Y, we are left with 1 minus B minus BT plus M. Okay, I hope I have done it correctly here, but so here I have minus into minus is plus. Okay, so I hope this derivation is correct. So since these are all, these are the autonomous expenditures here. Okay, so in this place, so we can write, let us write some, in this place we can write, let's write E here. Okay, so E denotes this autonomous expenditure here. Okay, then we can write Y will be equal to, so transposing this term, it will get divided, we will get 1 divided by 1 minus B minus BT plus M, okay, times E. Okay, or we can write Y is equal to, so in this place let's write it K times E, where this K denotes, and where K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus B minus BT plus M. This is our, what we call the multiplier here. Okay, but there is some mistake I guess I have done here. Here you can see tax is a positive function of income, not the negative function of income, so it is here plus BTY. Okay, that is, tax is a positive function of income. When the level of income increases, taxes, tax revenue will increase. So T is equal to T naught plus marginal rate of tax times the income. So it is a positive function of income. That means we need to write it as plus Ty. So let us see where we have to do the correction. So here we have plus Ty, so here it will become negative Bty. Okay, so if it here plus Ty, so here we have negative times Bty, so it is here negative. Okay, so obviously when we transpose it here, okay, it is negative Bty, it will become plus Bty. Okay, and obviously here it will be plus B, and here also it will be plus. That means this will be our open economy multiplier, that is K, which is our multiplier, which will be equal to 1 divided by 1 minus marginal propensity to consume plus marginal propensity to consume times the marginal tax rate plus the marginal propensity to import. This is our open economy multiplier here. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.